Hi there, parents! So, you've got a cute video and you want to make sure everybody else has it too? Well, you could email it around, but there's an easier way. What you're going to do is you're going to click here on Room Parent News, Updates, and Digital Sign-Up Sheets. And this is going to take you to this page, which has all of the different grade levels. So you are going to click on your child's grade level, and then you're going to click into the folder that is for your child's homeroom teacher. Now, in this grade folder, normally what will happen is it's going to have the following three documents. It's going to have, oh, I'm sorry, I deleted them from my sandbox, but it's going to have that weekly newsletter, it'll have the sign-up sheet, it'll have the class roster, and it'll have a folder right here that's called Homeroom Teachers Picture Folder. And adding pictures to that is really easy. So you are going to literally just take a picture, and if it is saved to your desktop, you are going to select the picture or pictures, and you are going to drag and drop them directly into that folder. Now you want to make sure it's not just in general, you want to make sure it's actually in the folder. So once you do, they will upload, and you can do that with videos as well. If they're saved other places on your computer, I recommend just dragging and dropping from the desktop. So putting them on your desktop makes it the easiest way to do it. And then that way, all of the different parents will be able to see any different images that you have dropped into the folder. Aha, these got moved into the photo uploads. Okay, so that's what happened. All right, so anyway, that is the picture folder, and that is how you do it. It is very simple, and it is an easy way to share folder or share pictures with fellow parents. All right, that's it.